Hello guys, hello everyone. Let's watch here the takeoff of this C-17 taking off from an aircraft carrier. It's gonna be crazy guys, let's watch. Let's go, full power. And taking off. Oh my god, there's a lot of power here on this aircraft. What a beautiful view. Barge in here launching, taking off from New York aircraft carrier. What a nice view guys. Hello everyone. Oh my god, that was a fast takeoff, right guys? Wow. And that's New York, Manhattan. That was a fast takeoff. Crazy takeoff, this one. From this aircraft carrier. Now flying over Manhattan. Now flying over Central Park. Look at that view. Amazing. That was a nice takeoff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this takeoff. And see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.